If you're watching us and you're about ready to dash off to the airport, the early weather is good. It's later on that we'll be looking at showers and thunderstorms, some on the strong side, the gusty winds and the heavy rain, but especially across central and south Jersey. Right now, things are quiet on the radar. 74 degrees at Central Park and Merrick, White Plains at 71. It is incredibly humid. We have a lot of low-level moisture, so we have some patchy dense fog setting up right now in parts of New Jersey, Somerset, Hunterdon, also Warren County. So heads up there, visibility less than half a mile or so. Starting to get some bright spots in there too. So I think the first half of the day we're again really quiet. By 10 a.m. already 80 degrees, 85 by 1 p.m. Feels like temperatures will be closer to 90 because of that humidity. And keep the rain gear handy, and a chance for those strong thunderstorms starting really this afternoon and evening into the early part of the overnight. All right, let's get you going though. If you are watching and ready to head out, start the day, Emily.
You know what? It's a work day for a lot of people today. So.
Sure, but a really pretty shot from a Flora Park camera looking into Nassau County. We have 74 at Central Park, 75 in Merrick, 72 in Poughkeepsie. You can see overall the radar is quiet. Watching that shower moving in from eastern Pennsylvania, so we'll see if it makes it across the Delaware River. But yes, really, really muggy. Dew points in the upper 60s, low 70s. Just take it easy, but it's fuel for showers and storms later today. Some may be on the strong side, especially as you head from, say, Edison, Clinton southward. Does include the Jersey Shore. So pay special attention later this afternoon and evening to that storm threat. In fact, I think before noontime, pretty quiet. It's just really warm. 84 degrees at noontime. Heat index value is already pushing 90 at that point. After that, we see those rain chances increasing, and that includes in through the evening and the early part of the overnight. We'll break down the timing too, because we're talking storms for tomorrow as well. That's coming up in a bit. But coming up right now is Emily to get you navigating around some of the slowdowns.
You know what? I think a lot of people are extending that holiday weekend a little bit. It's pretty light and quiet on the roadway.
Are in place again today to have the showers and thunderstorms, and definitely a heads up for most of the area. We're looking at the potential for the strong ones, especially central and south Jersey. We have Clinton and Edison basically south, includes the Jersey Shore. So if you're making it a beach day, pay extra attention during the afternoon. Right now the radar satellite's pretty quiet. You do see that one shower crossing the Delaware into Hunterdon and Warren counties. No warning, but just a little brief rainfall there. And then of course the filtered sunshine on the harbor right now via EarthCam. It's going to be a busy spot tomorrow as they line up for the fireworks. By 1 o'clock, be ready for some more scattered showers and storms. 85, and it's going to feel closer to 90 with all of that humidity. And that shower and thunderstorm threat remains through this evening and into the early part of the overnight. All right, we'll have more on that, break down the impacts coming up in a bit, but want to get you around some of the slowdowns.
That's
so
right.
Emily, what are you watching?
Yeah, we got some, even though some people are taking today off and it is lighter than normal. But
don't have the thunderstorms yet. We will later this afternoon and evening. So heads up, once again, we're looking at the threat for some of them being on the stronger side. The gusty winds, the heavy rainfall, maybe some hail, and that tornado risk today, especially South Jersey southward. We're looking at that not being zero. So you want to make sure you have a way to get warnings. There's so many activities. You want to stay weather aware. Currently on the radar, just tracking that little shower now pushing into Morris County and Somerset County. It's also looking at a spot similar area where we're looking at some pretty dense fog, visibility less than a quarter mile. So that's your travel slowdown weather-wise. Otherwise, it's just very mild and muggy. By 10 a.m., 80 degrees. By midday, already the heat index value is probably pushing 90. So take it easy, stay hydrated. And of course, we'll be watching the radar with showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon and evening. Temperatures staying in the low 80s through dinner time. All right, let's see what may be slowing you down elsewhere, aside from the weather, Emily, because I know you've been navigating around some of these.
You know, we have. And right now, we do have a closure in Westchester, which is causing some